Wow, it's a great day to open up some baseball cards. 1992 Score Series 2. We have a jumbo pack of 40 cards, only $1.49. Let's rip it open and see. Look at that stack. Let's see what we can get. Pedro Munoz, John Burkett, Rodney McRae, Kirk Gibson, all right, and Alan Trammell. Put up Alan Trammell. Manny Lee, Darren Jackson, Tino Martinez. We'll put up Tino. Trevor Wilson, Sean Abner, Tim Leana, Kurt Manwaring, Carney Lansford, Dave Stieb, Dave Holmes, Deion Sanders. Okay. We got a dream team. There's the back, Wade Boggs. Impact player time. We got Roger Clemens, absolutely. Tom Glavine for sure. Cal Eldred, maybe not so much. Ben McDonald, yeah. And Sean Dunston for sure. He was a great shortstop for the Cubs for a very long time. Arthur Lee Rhodes, Keith Mitchell, Anthony Young, Ted Wood, Kurt Schilling, Cecil Espy, Alejandro Pena, Jim Poole, Jason Grimsley. We got a Dennis Martinez no-hit club. Manny Ramirez, first-round draft pick. Look at that one there. Oh, he fell over. That's okay. John Farrell, Milt Hill, Barulio Castillo, Gary Cooper, rookie prospect, George Pedre, rookie, Vinny Castilla, recognize that name, Rod Brewer. All right, that's a lot of cards, and we got a Manny Ramirez. Thank you for watching. You be sure to like and subscribe.